Hello, how is it going, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we will be playing Phantom Forces, and this is episode 1. There will be loads of episodes. Like, you guys will be wondering, why do you play Phantom Forces? It's a fun game where you play with other people. Like, I'm not that good person. Yeah, you see, I just died. I'm not the best person at this game, but I'm quite alright in some maps. Yeah, so um yeah, hope you guys, if you're new, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. That will be appreciated. And make sure to share this video to others. And I don't really know, there's a machine, yeah, where you can get the jade key. You obtain the jade key. Yeah, I've done that already, so I don't really care about it. I just want to kill people. If I show you, there's a jade key, if you see it. And I think the Ready Player One event is gone. I'm sure. I feel like it's gone, because when I was boom 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 boom. Oh yes, behind you. So hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into it. I really don't want you guys watch this boring map, so we'll skip this map. We'll get to the next map. Yeah. So yeah, we just won the recent game, and we will be heading to the next game. This will be a proper full match. I just waited like 10-15 minutes, if I'm sure. My kills 292, deaths 401, KDR 0.72. Yeah. If you want more of these videos, if we hit 5 likes on this video, I will make a part 2 of Phantom Forces. Yeah, let's get into it. This is one of the hardest maps that I don't like, and I hope you guys don't like it too. And here I'm taking that. I capture this hill. Let me capture the hill, boy. Let me capture the hill. The hill. Boy. I think everything is lagging. I told you, every single thing is lacking. Boom. Dead. Boom. Done. Told you. I told you. I told you every single thing was lagging. Think. See? Now it's gonna go fine. At the start it always lags me out. Yeah? Finally. I'm in the Phantoms team. If I'm sure the action is all going on this building. To be sure. Oh! Damn! That came from nowhere. Okay. One death. Yeah. I'm sneaking. I bet there are people in here. Hold it. Get the hell, boys. Why am I lagging? Anyone else lags? Folks. I think this video will be called as... Wow, why are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me? Are you actually kidding me? Yeah, boom. Fucked up. Game is fucking me up right now. Boom. Round 3. Hopefully something happens right now. Hopefully I don't die. Look, the leaderboard of deaths is not even moving. Finally, now it's moving. 2 kills in a row. That is what I like, boys. That's what I like. That is what I like. GG. Look, my kill. Oh, you got him, baby. Let's make sure the top of this building. Wait a second. Wait a second. Why didn't you let me throw the grenades? You idiot. Legit idiot. The flipping grenade. Oh, I hate you when you do that. I bet all of the action was going on that building. To be sure it was over there. Yeah. To be honest. I know. You guys, what the fuck are you doing? When all action is happening over here. What the hell are you actually doing? All action is over here and then there is slip there. Ooh! He sees me. And yeah. Told you. Dead. Come on, stop lagging. They dead? Yeah. Ooh, there's action going on. Probably people won't be spawning over here. Why not? Go ahead and check. And yeah, someone definitely. Yeah. Did you saw that, guys? I took a whole bunch of teams. A whole bunch of teams. Whole damn bunch of teams. That's really like 7-8 kills, isn't it? You all dead? Are you all dead? Yeah. You respawn here, you motherfuckers. Huh? Ooh. Who's the bitch that hiding down there? Make sure every single thing is clear. What? Why do I have to fucking reload at the wrong time? I nearly killed him. I pressed F so I could get my knife out. Ah. And I had to reload every single thing. Wow. Wow, Phantom Forces God. That is what you want me to do then? That is what you fucking want me to do? I'm gonna fuck all this niggas. I said niggas. You guys don't understand. You don't understand Paki language. Oh, I'm black, I can't say Paki. Yeah, every single Paki watching this. Yeah, you're racist. You dead. You won. Dead, bitch. You're dead. Fuck you. Oh! Was that just me or was that just me playing the game? So deadly. Why do you steal my fucking kill? Wow! And the guy throws a grenade. GG, boy. GG. I have the same energy. Yeah, now I have to move away. I probably got 10-9 kills. Two stolen kills. Yeah, 1 grenade kill. Let's make sure. Oops. You mother. Oh my days. There was a flipping grenade. Why just grenades? GG. Yes, I'm the GG in the chat, boys. Yeah, I finally got my account back. I was hacked, probably, like I was legit hacked. If you're watching this, I'm not playing for the forces anymore. 297 kills. Excuse me. 300 kills in this next game. No one is fucking ready yet. No one. You guys are so stupid. Hurry up. Look at my white man. The white man. The goddamn. Look ahead. Look ahead. Goddamn white man. So yeah, we're probably in not my favorite map. Not my best map. One of the good. Open you fucking window. Trying to see the piss out of me. Yeah. Climb. Oh yeah. Climb. Yeah. Where's the action all going? I want the action. All the action. Damn. Ah, I knew it. No fucking window was open probably, yeah. Boy, that. Dead. Why are they not dead? How come are you not dead? A single one of them. Why are you lagging me out, man? Fortnite gods. Phantom Forces god. You trying to lag the boss out? You trying to actually lag me out? Take me down. Dude. You fucked up. Elevators in this game are flipping. Oh wow. You guys need to open. Windows open. Can't breathe. Actually can't breathe. Yeah. This is where I died last time. I probably bet I won't. Yeah, when I was lagging down here, you know? Yeah, those motherfuckers. Those fuckers. Where are you, boys? You wanna go? Oh, oh, oh. You flipping wanna spawn here, boy? Wow, you have a flipping sniper. You can't do that actually, like, in real Phantom Forces. You have a sniper and then you snipe me from, like, don't even know, 2 meters away. Open! Come on, man. You're trying to piss me off right now. You actually are. When I'm trying to go in a mission, the flipping doors. I think we're going to be ending a match after 2 more kills. Oh, the time is. So yeah, hopefully guys, you enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If we got 5 or 6 likes on this video, I will be making Pokey, I will be making a part 2 in this game. And I will make sure I do. And I will make sure I get them 5 kills. Yeah, you bitch. Where did I get shot from? What are you trying to shoot, boy? Yeah. After this last 2 kills, I'm gonna... Yeah. Leave a like, subscribe, 5 likes, part 2. Part 2 will be awesome. And make sure I'll keep it ready.